Hello! Today, I want to show you something I think is quite exciting. Winsor & Newton, with a long history of colour innovation, have reintroduced 5 well-loved and previously limited edition dual colours from the Winsor & Newton Professional Watercolour range: Transparent Orange, Quinacridone Violet, Aqua Green, Smalt of Demant's Blue, and Cobalt Green Deep. Transparent Orange is a vibrant, strong and versatile orange. The mass tone is the colour you see here, a deep, almost red orange. I'll dilute the mass tone to reveal a lovely, clean, soft undertone. This is Quinacridone Violet, a synthetic, bright violet pigment introduced in the 1950s, intense, semi-transparent and light-fast. Like transparent orange, it has a rich, deep mass tone. Now look at the undertone, the beautiful soft violet. This is Aqua Green, an incredibly versatile, semi-transparent turquoise with a mass tone of dark, deep turquoise. The undertone is a stunning, soft turquoise green. This is Smalt, also known as Demant's Blue, a bright variation of cobalt blue. It was originally a ground pigment of cobalt glass used in classical stained glass and pottery. Now the formula is a close modern alternative. A lovely deep mass tone which reveals this soft granulating violet undertone. Finally, Cobalt Green Deep, discovered in 1780 when Swedish chemist Sven Rinman heated cobalt and zinc. A lush, deep green mass tone with a soft, muted, granulating undertone. You might be pleased to know that all of these colours are no longer limited editions and are available individually as part of the full permanent range. I hope you've enjoyed this video.